This message is for Sara Blakely, the owner of Spanx. First of all, Sara, thank you. Thank you for all that you do, not just as an entrepreneur, but as just a leader for women, because boy, do we need more of that. And also for everything that you've created and just, you know, women supporting women. Girl, these are all you. That's right. Spanx leather leggings. I put them on just for this video because Lord knows by the rest of me, I'm not going anywhere. But they're cute and they're comfy. And thanks for making such awesome products with the woman in mind. So with that being said, Sara Blakely, thank you so much. You have started the Red Backpack Fund, which is started with your $5 million donation to help small business owners such as mine potentially receive a grant that could keep things going. I am a professional organizer. I have been obsessed with this industry since I discovered it at the age of 14, and I was so blessed to start my company 6 years ago. I had grown so much that I had 4 team members, but as of 3 weeks ago, because all of our income came to a screeching halt without being able to work in other people's homes, we are at a complete standstill. And I am not only able to not pay my team members, I have not been able to pay myself. We went from having a really amazing month last month to potentially having a month worse than the first month I had in business. I've been doing everything that I possibly can to pivot during this time. We have transitioned to some virtual organizing, but it's a little hard to get off the ground. What's kind of crazy is we actually had plans of launching this program back in December before there was a pandemic, and obviously God had some things in mind to make me more prepared. So we did launch the program, but it's been hard to get off the ground. And now that I can't even hire my team at the moment to help me on the back end of things, help me with blogging and Pinterest posts and media kits and things that they are absolutely awesome at, I'm feeling stuck. And I am making this video. Yes, I look like a hot dumpster fire, but ain't nobody got time for cute right now because I'm poring over my computer every minute that I can with 2 toddlers home. And I am playing the movie Frozen for the 687th time in my house to buy the time to make this video. So cute went out the window a long time ago. But I am here asking for your consideration, asking for everyone who's watching this video to support not just me, but Miriam, Michelle, Mackenzie, and Kristen, who are 4 amazing women who work on this team. And this grant would allow me to hire 1, if not 2, to start the process of pivoting with virtual organizing programs. And then if we can get that off the ground, which I know we can, I would be able to hire my whole team back. And until the time comes, and I know that it will, where we're back in our clients' home, doing the work that we love, transforming the lives in the way that we know that we can, I am so grateful. I'm so grateful that there is recognition and there is so much power in prayer. And thank you for everyone praying for me and praying for this business. And thank you for people like Sara. Thank you for recognizing those of us who feel really small and really forgotten right now. I have worked really hard to keep my business debt-free. And while we have a couple thousand right now on a credit card due to the complete and sudden shortage of our income, I don't want to take out a small business loan right now. That's not the kind of pressure I want to add. This grant would do a lot for us, and I thank you for your consideration. I know this money will be used well for so many women, and I can't tell you enough how powerful it is to be a part of the entrepreneur community. And this is my thanks to every other female entrepreneur. Thank you for your support. I hope that I can return the support just as much, even if it's just by sharing, continuing to buy Spanx, and all of the above. So Thank you for watching.